Ayaw pagsuot. Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning sa tanan, sa tibuok kalibutan. Here you go again, oh Lord. Thank you so much for all these wonderful blessings, for our strength, for the foods, for every single customers who ordering, and I have the wedding to be serve this, and one is a birthday party, and 35 to 40 people side plates to do this. So here you go. This is what I've done today. I'm still cooking, and here's the egg rolls, homemade egg rolls. Yan, homemade egg rolls, the fried chicken, the noodles, and I have 2 more noodles on the other side, which done already, and it's 2 more going, and that's and plus the kebabs are going too. So here we go, and yes, thank you so much for the wonderful strength, O Lord, and for all these blessings that you have been giving to us daily, and for showering us every single day, all of your blessings, all the strengths, all the occupied mind that for about how to survive, how to keep us going. My kids are helping me so much, and then here's the side to make for a living. Thank you so very much. Thank you all who orders today. Today is Saturday, October 21st. No, I'm sorry, it's not October. Hello, we are in August 21st. How come I jumped to October? Oh Lord, I'm sorry. I forgive that. Today is August 21st, 2021. And here's where our done so far. And the other side also, in the counter, we have another 2 noodles in there. 2 big pan of noodles, and it's still going. I'm cooking also another 2 batches at the same time, and now is the kebabs also at the same time. So stay tuned, stay with us, and don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to follow us and order. If you would like to order, just hit the message. Thank you so much. See you soon.